Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the FitBit Versa 4, from its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the watch with a small band, a charging cable, and the additional large band. Charge your watch. To charge your FitBit Versa 4, just bring the charging cable close to the back of the watch and it'll snap into place magnetically. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then, plug it into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. A 12-minute charge gives you up to 24 hours of battery life. For a full charge, it'll take about 1 to 2 hours. Set up with app. First, download the FitBit app. Apple App Store for iPhones and Google Play Store for Android phones. Install the app and open it. If you already have a Fitbit account, log into your account. Continue to follow the on-screen instructions to connect Versa 4. Then tap on the profile circle, go to Set up a device, and select Versa 4. Choose Replace the device and pair it with your watch. Set location permissions and background location permissions. Tap Done. After this, you will receive a 4-digit pairing code. Enter it, and you will be paired successfully. Navigate Versa 4. Versa 4 has a color AMOLED touchscreen display and one button. The home screen is the clock. Swipe down to see quick settings. Swipe up to see your notifications. Swipe left or right to see your tiles. Press the button to open the apps menu or return to the clock face. Button shortcuts. Press the button to return to the clock face, then press it again to open the app list. Hold the button for 1 second to activate a feature of your choice. Double press the button to open shortcuts to your voice assistant, quick settings, notifications, and contactless payment. Adjust the settings. Manage these basic settings in the Settings app. In the Display settings, you can adjust brightness, screen wake, screen timeout, and always on display. In Vibration and Audio, you can adjust vibration microphone access. Notifications show on red indicators. In quiet modes, you will find Focus Mode, Do Not Disturb, Sleep Mode, and Alexa notifications. In Voice Assistant, you can turn the voice assistant on or off and adjust audio feedback. To turn off your watch's screen, briefly cover the watch face with your opposite hand or turn your wrist away from your body. Key features: stay motivated with Versa 4 Plus Premium. Get workout insights, real-time stats, and fresh routines. Operates from -14 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for optimal fitness, daily readiness score, GPS, intensity map, active zone minutes, 24/7 heart rate, 40+ exercise modes, auto tracking, and 50 meters water resistance. Sleep optimization tools, sleep profile, daily sleep stages and score, smart wake alarm in Do Not Disturb mode. With 40+ exercise modes and sets in the moment on your watch. Get turn-by-turn directions, pay instantly, and save time with Google Maps and Google Wallet on your wrist. Beyond with the thin, lightweight design. Check your daily readiness score to see if you are up for challenging workout. Activity and wellness. Versa 4 continuously tracks a variety of stats whenever you wear it, including hourly activity, heart rate, and sleep data automatically syncs with the Fitbit app throughout the day. Versa 4 personalize your heart rate zones using your heart rate reserve, which is the difference between your maximum heart rate and your resting heart rate. Bits of Google. There's the Fitbit app, which Google now technically owns, and you do get stuff like Google Wallets, so you're going to be able to make payments using the Versa from your wrist, and of course, it can also integrate with Health Connect. So how you can use it? Follow these steps. Change your default card. Force restart. To restart your watch, press and hold the button for 10 seconds until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen, and then release the button. Restarting your watch doesn't delete any data. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Heart rate signal missing. GPS signal missing. Environmental conditions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Sense. See you in the next one.